Hey guys, wanna share an Instagram post? You actually have two easy ways. The first way is that you can post it to your story so all of your followers can see it. And the second way is that you can set it privately to, for example, a friend or a colleague. So firstly, open Instagram on your device and find the post you wanna share. Now look at the bottom of the post and look for the share icon with the paper plane icon right there and click on it. Now look for the share to option or to add to story option. Just click on it and now tap your story. But before that, you can customize the story. For example, you can drag the post, resize it and rotate it. You can also add some music, you can draw it or add any text. But anyways, let's proceed and click on the Your Story option at the bottom left to actually post it so all of your followers can see it. So let's look into the second method, just privately sharing a post with your friend. So now look for the same share icon at the bottom right and give it a tap. Now here review the list of the recipients and select one. Now click on the write a message field if you want to write a message. For example, let's do Harry Potter and click on the send button right there. Now you can review the shared post and the direct messages, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.